It's teeny tiny tangle time, and here is the world's smallest Scrabble game board. So I decided to put teeny tiny tangle time outside the lines, Jessica, and we are going to do the Tangle Marasu. So what I love about Marasu is it really gives this very cool 3D effect at the end. So you essentially start with printemps, which is a spiral, and you can divide it like I'm doing here, or if you look at the most recent candy video that I did, I show how to make a lollipop. Here I'm doing traditional Marasu, but I challenge you to fill it in and do what inspires you. But if you ask me, all tangles come down to shading. Shade away. As always, we start with gratitude, find things to be grateful for, breathe those things in, and on the exhale, get rid of all the junk. I use it to quiet the mind and tangle away. So hope to see you live 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Have a great day, everyone.